However, to show a different idea. Example, I love ice cream. However, I don't like chocolate flavor. Therefore, to show the result of something. Example, it was too dark. Therefore, we couldn't play outside. In addition, to add more to what you already said. Example, I like dogs. In addition, I like cats. For example, to give an example of something. Example, I love sports, for example, soccer and basketball. On the other hand, to show a different side of something. Example, I like the beach. On the other hand, I also like the mountains.